Okay, I got a problem. I just watched a YouTube video and I think I figured it out. So let's try and get it done. Okay, turn this on. You hear that? Okay. So what the all right, the guy I saw that was dealing with the garbage disposal, basically what he said was there's a tool that you can use that will help you unclog your garbage disposal. And I want to see if I have that. Nope. Okay, guys, I think I found it. Okay, this hexagonal piece, I believe this is what we're looking for here. So let's go ahead and get underneath here. Okay. All right, so what the guy said, every dishwasher has this thing. It's similar to this. This thing in the middle is hexagon shape, like this. And go ahead, stick your device in, and you're gonna go ahead and twist it back and forth. And get that stuff loose that's gunking it up. So that's what I have. Mine is all tight and stuff, and I can feel it. Very tight. And let's see if that works real quick. All right. Let's go ahead and see what we got here. Try to run some water. Inside. Wow, that sounds, it turned on, but it doesn't sound right. Let's see. What's going on in here? Oh, you see that? Oh boy. Something's inside. This is what, this is it. This is why the dishwasher stopped working. Let's try, run some more water, see if it goes smoothly. Still sounds messed up. I'll be honest. Alright, so I noticed that what I think is happening is every time I turn it, it's either raising it, causing it to scrape. You see anything? I don't see anything. That's what all I was seeing. But if you it just didn't seem like the blades were loose to way better.
Yes, what's making a noise is the blades.
Mm-hmm.
The blades. That's making a noise. And did it make a noise before?
No, I mean, one time it did, but then it stopped making noise.
You know what? Let me see that screwdriver.
Which one?
Take this thing off because it's.
Oh, it's keeping you from being able to get in there easily.
Yeah, maneuver it around.
Yeah.
I'm trying to put it on while.
This is so I can see if I need to put it back. I'm saying a whole new one. Let me test it out.
That was working.
It worked just fine.
It's working fine. It's working like it's supposed to.
Thank you so much.
No problem, man.
No, this is harder food. I'm just testing it out.
Open up the leak.
No leaking.
There we go.
Hey. All right, guys. So we got it. I had to call my man Stevie. We call him Grandpa Stevie. He knows how to do a lot of different things, and we got it taken care of. So thank you, Grandpa Stevie. He's going to say that he didn't do anything, but his support helped us get it done.